back. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Today we're going to be doing how to remove your eyelash extension with Vaseline or baby oil, or with both of them, without ruining your own lashes. Because most of the time when we try to remove our fake eyelashes, we end up destroying our natural eyelashes. So the first thing we do, make sure your hands are clean. We are in pandemics. Be careful that you don't transfer germs from your hands to your eyes. So I washed my hands already, and I'm going to use the sanitizer just to make sure that everything, no germ, no nothing on my fingertips, fingernails. So you can see my lashes, they are all fake lashes. So we're going to go ahead, and you can tell, see, when I pull them, they are glued with glue. So, and also while you're trying to save your lashes, you also want to save your fake lashes, because when you pay so much money to buy them, you want to be able to reuse them again. So the first thing you want to do after you have sanitized your hands, I just touched them again, so I have to sanitize it again for the second time. So you're gonna take a little bit of Vaseline, and you want to put this directly on the lashes. Apply both on top, second finger, and at the bottom. Same thing goes to this one. So apply directly on top of the lashes and under the lashes. So after applying this, you have an option. You can wait for 5 minutes and try to pull this to see if it's going to come out. But pull very gently if you have to. So it doesn't really take time. Apply a little bit more, and you'll see the lashes begin to come off. Did you see that? It's beginning to come off, but you don't want to pull so hard because you don't want to damage your own lashes. So try this one gently. So this is not ready to come off, but when you're pulling gently from the outer corner, see that? More Vaseline, don't pull. So Vaseline is always good for the skin around your eye area. So check back again. It's about 2 minutes, it's about 5 minutes, and I am checking this again to see if it's coming off. Voila! This is off. So the first one came off. Let's try this one. Let's check this one to see if it's ready. Yeah, it fell off. So, completely out peacefully. What you're gonna do with this, like I said, if you invest in buying lashes, by the way, this is my own brand, so coming to you very soon. If you invest in this, make sure that when you finish, just put this in a soap, like a regular dishwashing soap that you use, hand dishwashing soap. Put it in a bowl and throw this inside for overnight. It's going to remove all the grease on the lashes, and then you can dry this and reuse them as many as you want. For my own lashes, you can use it up to 10 to 20 times. Okay, so let's save this. And we can go ahead and finish removing our eye makeup. So I like to use baby oil to dab. Did you see everything is completely out with baby oil and Vaseline? Let's try the other one as well. Dab baby oil inside out. Dab the other one inside out, the other side. So once you get your eye area covered up, like you have your eye area, the lashes removed. Once everything is out, apply more Vaseline, more Vaseline and baby oil, and dab. Finish the cleaning. Clean. See, use the other side and clean. So most of the time you can even use Vaseline to remove all your facial makeup, but it doesn't mean that after Vaseline that you will not shower. So look at that. Vaseline does amazing job in removing all your makeup. After you use Vaseline, you can then take a shower. Finish up even on your lips. They nourish. Vaseline helps to nourish the skin on your lips as well. So this is really how you remove your eye makeup. And then when you remove your eye makeup, use whatever you have at home, whatever you use to wash your face and wash your entire face. So I'm going to leave you guys now, and I'll finish the cleaning and take a shower. If you miss my other videos about my skincare regimen at night, I will link that at the bottom of this video. This video that I'm doing right now is specifically how to remove your eyelash, fake eyelash. So I will leave you guys here. See you in the next video. Bye. Remember, if you're not subscribed, do me a favor, click that red button, subscribe and share the video. Bye.